finally kiss goodnight. How all the way home on the morning and turn way down low. Let it slow. And we finally kiss goodnight. How all the way home on the morning and
to make all of your homes extra festive.
Truly, Christmas really glows in the city. And to keep that Christmas glow shining even brighter, here is someone who's sure. Palasayin namin ang Pasko nyo with the Maverick MMS and Entry for the whole family. Abangan nyo kami ni Brett and Michael, PDB Cola Housemates. More plan is near. With lahat ng nandito.
Kamusta po kayong lahat?
Magandang hapon! Pwede mo namin kayo marinig? Ayan, magandang hapon po ulit sa inyong lahat. It's so nice to be here.
Yes, it is so nice to be with you.
But this time as a host.
Yes, that is right. It is so nice to be with you, Alexa. You look amazing. Di ba, Alexa, ngayon? Ang ganda.
Na para bang ako yung Christmas tree.
O, ikaw talaga yun.
Ako ang sisindihan mamaya. But anyway, Jeremy, I'm so happy to be here with you
Likewise,
tonight.
likewise, Lex. And siyempre bukod sa iyo, pero like to say thank you guys so much. It's so amazing to have you all here with us as well. To open the season of love, joy, pray, giving, and right here sa Araneta City.
Pero Jeremy, hindi kasi kumpleto ang ating Araneta experience kapag hindi natin ito naisigaw.
Oh.
Would you mind joining me? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. What's up, Araneta? I love it. I love the energy. Pero parang we can do better than that.
Oo.
Can we try one more time?
Isa pa.
Okay, isa pa. 1, 2, 3.
What's up, Araneta? Ay, pagkasi naman itong slide ito, may energy mga kayo! Yung mga natulog kayo, may energy mga kayo! Grabe, guys, alam mo, I love the energy ngayong gabi. Ramdam na ramdam talaga natin ang Christmas spirit dito kasi ang dami natin kasama tonight. We got families, we got barkadas, and mall goers who've been a part of Araneta's Christmas celebrations for many years.
Kaya naman para sa lahat na nandito ngayong gabi, stay stay right where you are because we prepared a lot of exciting performances and surprises just for you here in the
Araneta City Giant Christmas Tree Lighting 2025!
Ngayon pa lang, nagpapasalamat kami sa lahat ng nandito ngayon and we promise to bring the very, very early Christmas feel sa inyong lahat.
Yes, that is right, Alexa. Siyempre, bagong lahat, we'd like to thank our generous sponsors for making this year's Araneta City Giant Christmas Tree Lighting very much possible. We'd like to thank Petron.
All of us. But this year, it's made even more meaningful.
Yes, that is right, Alexa. Araneta City continues to shine as a symbol of joy and togetherness every holiday season. And siyempre, this year naman, we live by our theme this Christmas, which is Christmas glows in the city, built by memories, lit by hope. Palakpakan naman natin yan! Grabe naman yung message niya. I love that message.
Yes, that message represents the warmth of our shared memories and the enduring spirit of Christmas. And may it remind us of Araneta City's rich legacy and how it continues to look forward with optimism, inspiring everyone to celebrate Christmas with love and unity.
That's right.
Sobrang ganda, di ba? You know, truly, Christmas glows brighter here in Araneta City.
And that is right, and that is a reminder that Christmas can grow even brighter. No, and we'd like to take this time right now to talk about something very serious. No, kasi syempre habang magkakasama po tayo ngayon dito, hindi rin natin po makakalimutan ang mga kababayan natin na santala ng Bagyong Tino, lalo na po sa Visayas.
So, kapag umuwi po tayo mamayang gabi, may we offer him our prayer and all our thoughts and prayers go out to everyone who is affected. And may this season remind us to keep the spirit of giving and bayanihan alive, to share our life with those who need it the most. Kaya para sa mga gusto pong maghatid ng tulong sa ating mga kababayan tinamaan ng Bagyong Tino, you may visit the ABS-CBN Foundation's official social media pages and just scan the QR code posted there for all your financial donations. Ngayon pa lang, maraming salamat po sa tulong ninyo, and always remember that God loves a cheerful giver.
Yes, that is right, Alexa. You guys can also share your blessings through in-kind donations. Just make sure to drop them off at the ABS-CBN Foundation warehouse. As our tunay ang Christmas glows brighter when we come together now as one community, spreading hope and kindness wherever we can and however we can. Yun po talaga ang real essence of Christmas, di ba, Alex?
And while we're spending this very, very special night together, please don't forget to share your moments online. We are looking forward to seeing all of your posts, but please don't forget to use our official hashtags, #Araneta Christmas Tree Lighting and #Christmas Glows in the City. At para sa mga team bahay na nanonood, alam ko meron iba mga supporters ng mga guests natin ngayong gabi na team bahay ngayon, okay lang, pwede pa rin kayong makisaya by watching our live stream tonight. At pwede kayong sumali dahil meron tayong special raffle na tihanda para sa inyong lahat. Alam niyo ba kung ano ang ipapamigay natin ngayon sa team bahay?
Oh, ito na guys. We got 10 winners for Gateway Cineplex 18 cinema passes for 2. We got 2 winners naman for Ibis Styles Manila Araneta City Streets lunch or dinner buffet for 2. At di pa yun, we got 1 winner of an Ibis Styles Manila Araneta City staycation with breakfast buffet for 2.
Woo! Ay, pwede ba sumali?
Yun nga yung tatanungin ko sa iyo eh. Gusto kong sumali dyan eh.
Pwede ba sumali ang host?
Tanungin natin. Baka pwede naman sumali mga host, pero syempre para sa mga team bahay yan.
Chance to others, para na yan sa team bahay natin.
Oo, pero grabe yan, manonood ka lang at baka manalo ka pa.
Yes, may chance pang manalo. We have such great prizes at stake, guys.
Generous talaga ang Araneta City.
Ayan na! The nation's mom!